as a flow chart. Obviously, it's tougher to see right now unless you zoomed in. But remember, we're going to do a little bit more with factoring today. Now, with polynomials, remember, what degree is this polynomial? Degree 3. You know what degree also tells us? What? It tells us how many solutions there are going to be to this polynomial. How many solutions are there? 3. What's the degree? 3. How many solutions to this? 4. What degree is it? 4. What's this picture going to look like? I got to do it this way though. Same or different? Different. Is the right hand up or down? Little quick in behavior. I'm going to start out with the negative and the positive infinity. What's my picture doing? Those of you that are visual people like myself, let's just draw a quick sketch. We said it's going to be different sides, so it's going to do something like that, correct? Everybody agree? Okay? So, as it's going, is this right or left? Positive infinity. It's to the right. What's my picture doing as I go to the right? Is it going up or down? Up. So therefore it is positive infinity. What's it going to the left? It's going down. So that would be negative infinity. So there's a little review of what we've been talking about. Now, factoring. Factoring polynomials. This flowchart, if you want to use it, great. Like I said, if you're a visual person, this thing's awesome. It gives you something to follow. It gives you some steps to follow. The number one thing, number one in the whole wide world is what do you look for immediately?
If you can divide it all by the same number.
That's called
GCF.
That's why it says GCF first. And it says GCF first. What does GCF mean? Greatest common factor. I don't like the math terms so much, but that's exactly it. What we're looking for is what can divide into all the terms. If you are looking at letters and exponents, we're talking about being greedy. We're also looking at values or numbers. So, my question to you is there a number that will divide into, how many terms do we have? 3 terms. 3 terms. Is there a number that divides into all 3 terms? Yes or no?
No.
No. This has x to the third, this has x to the second, this has x. What can I take from all 3 terms?
X.
1x or an x. So what I'm going to do is take that out. It's called factoring. So, I'm still going to have how many terms in here for sure? 3. What is x to the third divided by x? X squared. Another way to look at it is, well, if I have 2 x's and I take 1 away, what's left? And if I take that x, it's gone. Now, how many terms do I have here? 3 terms. Do you remember how to factor? I'm going to bring down my x. A lot of people forget to do that. Show it completely factored. What's this going to break into? You're getting ahead of me. 2 binomials. What's the first term of both? X. 2 numbers that multiply to give you? Multiply to give you negative 15 and add to give you positive 2. 5 and
3.
Negative 3. This is factored completely. There's nothing else we can do. What I'd like for you to do is, with your little group here, I'll give you 45 seconds to come up with this in factored form. I know a lot of you won't have it complete. That's fine. But give it a shot. Okay?
What do I do with this? Well, do I hit pause?